Hello everyone, hope you are doing good. In today's video I am going to show you how you can increase RAM and storage in your Android phone without uninstalling or deleting anything. But before that, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Let's get started. To do that, open Settings. If you didn't find Settings icon on home screen, you can also open it from Notification panel. Open Notification panel and in top right corner click Settings icon. Or you can also open from All Applications. Scroll down and here it is. Okay, now move forward. After opening Settings, scroll below. And go to Storage option. Here you can see two options: RAM and internal shared storage. We can clean both one by one. As you can see, my phone has total 6 GB RAM. And available RAM is only 2.5. So let's clean it. So RAM and is cleaned and now I have 3.4 GB RAM available. Which means I got almost 1 GB RAM. This will definitely boost my phone performance. These are the storage details of phone, which let you know where your storage consumption is. System is consuming more than 13 GB. Let's clear storage also. Scanning starts and junk files are scanning. Cleaning up junk files. Junk files are cleared now. Okay, now storage also increases. You will see the difference in phone performance. That's it for now. Hope you like it. Make sure to like the video and subscribe the channel.